Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another series of DigiGuru. And in this series of us, I would be explaining you all about one of the very famous platform which has become a kind of entertainment under this lockdown period, because the entire world is on lockdown, is probably our favorite, TikTok, right? So people nowadays are trying to engage themselves or make themselves busy on any one of the platform, and the only platform which have got the maximum amount of traffic is TikTok. So in this today's video, I'll be talking all about like when you're making the account for the first time, or you're having a recently made account and your videos are not performing, or even if you're having an old account and you're seeing the video not performing according to the way that you want it to be. So stay tuned to this entire video and you will see all these few points that we miss out while we are trying to upload a video on TikTok, and we compare it with any other platform which actually doesn't work like that. In the upcoming videos of mine, I will be talking all about various topics on TikTok, like that about its algorithm, the mistakes, and how actually TikTok considers an account and how does he views an account, so that if we are framing our account in such a way, we'll get a maximum amount of engagement on our videos. So stay tuned and keep watching.